Kia ora everyone, hello. In this video we're going to be looking at the past simple and in particular using different verbs with the past simple. What day is today? Today, as I'm talking, it is Monday. That's right. Monday, the 1st of November. What day was yesterday? It was Sunday. Good. Sunday. Okay. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tuesday. Well done. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the past. So the past is anything that happened before now. So for example, 5 minutes ago, last week, 2 weeks ago, last month, last Christmas, last year, 5 years ago. Anything before now is in the past. Okay. So, in order to talk about the past, we need to change the verb into the past tense. So let's look at some regular verbs. Okay, so how do we turn these into the past tense? We add ed. Good. Yesterday I watched a film. Last night I cooked dinner. Yesterday I washed the dog. Okay. Now not all verbs follow this rule, as there are many irregular verbs. Now we're just going to look at a few examples today, but there's a huge list of them. Okay, so we won't have time to do them all today. Let's look at a few examples. What is the past of say? Yesterday I said. Well done. Okay. What about pay? What is the past of pay? Paid. Good. Yesterday I paid the bills. What is the past of ring? I always ring my friend every week. Yesterday I rang. Good. Yesterday I rang my friend. So as I said, there's a huge list, so we won't do them all today, but these are just a few examples of regular verbs and then irregular verbs, which are these here. Okay. So now we're going to have a little game, little activity for you. So you're going to try to match up these verbs with each other. Okay. Okay, here we go. So this is where you match them up. So for example, let's start with an easy one. Lose. I always lose my keys, my car keys. Yesterday, which one is it? Lost. Good. So lost these two. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a few minutes or however long you need. You can pause this video now if you like to complete the rest. So you want to match these up. So I'm about to give the answers. So if you want to do this on your own, this is where you pause the video. Okay, let's look at the answers. Okay, let's start at the top here. Thought. I thought about him yesterday. Where's the present? Verb for thought. Think. Good. I often think about him. Okay, so this comes down here. So thought is the irregular verb and think is so that's an example of an irregular verb. Okay, what have we got next? Teach. I like to teach English. Yesterday I taught. Good. Yesterday I taught English. Okay, what about swim? I like to swim. Yesterday I swam. Good job. Okay. Every day I feed the cat. Last week which one? Fed the cat. Good. Okay. He likes to tell stories. Last night he told me a story. Good. Tell goes to told. Okay. I stand up every day. Yesterday I stood up. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so there is one more. Okay, so no. I know a lot about music. I thought I knew something. Okay, so know, knew, tell, told, teach, taught, feed, fed. Okay, you get the idea. So now I'm going to ask you a question. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? While you're thinking about that, I'm going to write a sentence up on the board about what I did yesterday. Okay, so here's my answer. And you can see all of the examples of irregular verbs in the past tense. So yesterday I drove to the supermarket and bought some groceries. When I got home, I ate some crackers and drink a glass of wine. What did you do yesterday? I'd love to hear what you got up to yesterday. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. See you next time.